Hey, it's Rei.
Hey, it's Rei. So today I'm so excited because I'm finally gonna do the I tried following a blank makeup tutorial, and you guys probably know who's I'm going to copy. I really love her and she's one of my inspirations. She's Kathleen Lights on YouTube. When I found this affordable makeup tutorial on her video, which is this, and thought that I really wanted to try it on me. I'm gonna put her link down below so you guys can check her out. And let's get it on! Let's get it on! Game, game, game! I have here my kokwa. She's so pretty.
Video is a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. It's actually more or less the look I was wearing in my skincare and hair care favorites of 2017. And I really want to make it a point to do videos you want to see on my channel. So when I saw so many comments asking for this tutorial, I was like, I'm gonna do it. And I'm actually switching things up in this video. I want a makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start off the look by priming my eyelids. I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, but I'm using the
I'm also gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in light 20. And guys, I already did my brows off cam because she already did her brows off cam too.
Now I'm going to take the NYX Pigment Primer. This is brand new. I just recently purchased this. And I'm popping this right in the center of the...
I'm just going to use other eye primer today. This is the Canmake Lasting Multi-Eye Base.
And I moved on to the face. I'm using the Rimmel Insta Flawless Perfecting Radiant Primer as my primer today. This is brand new as well. I just purchased this. And it did feel nice and moisturizing, but...
I'm just gonna use the Touch and Sol No Poreblem Primer, which is one of her favorites. My favorite too. She said that the Rimmel Insta Flawless Primer didn't felt so nice, so I'm just gonna stick with this primer.
I'm mixing two foundations today. The first one is the Revlon Colorstay, but it was just a little bit too deep for me, so I mixed it in with the Ordinary Serum foundation.
I also have the Revlon Colorstay foundation in 220 Natural Beige, and I just got these, the Ordinary Serum foundation in 2.0 YG.
The skin. For concealer, I'm using my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade Light Beige.
I just got the Catrice Camouflage Concealer, also in the shade 20 Light Beige.
And for powder, I'm actually using a Catrice powder I haven't used before. This is the HD Multi-Talent powder, and I actually really like it.
I want that powder, but I really can't find one. Instead, I'm gonna use one of her favorite drugstore pressed powder, and I just got the Wet n Wild Photofocus Pressed Powder in Neutral Buff.
And then for mascara, I didn't want to put on falsies because I wasn't wearing falsies in that video. But I went in with my Gigi Hadid and Maybelline Fiber Mascara.
I'm just gonna use the Kingdom 2-Step Mascara, which has a fiber on it.
And then the eyes are completely done. Oh, no, the eyes are not done. I forgot this part, but I applied Mr. Bing eyeliner to my waterline.
I also have the same shade, which is Mr. Bing, but in gel type. This is also her collaboration with Colourpop.
I'm going in with two Physicians Formula Butter Bronzers. The first one is just the original bronzer, and I'm using this to contour the cheek.
I just got the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer.
Guess what blush I'm gonna use today? I swear it's really hard for me to use any other blush these days. This is the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon.
I really want her blush, but I really can't find any. Instead, I'm just gonna use the Rude Undaunted Blush Palette. And I think I'm gonna go in with these two shades.
For highlight, I wanted to use my J-Cat Triple Crown Baked Shadow in the shade Dolce de Leche, and I'm popping that.
I'm gonna use the Marylou Manizer from the Balm, which is kind of similar to her highlight color.
All the places I usually highlight. And then to melt all these products together, I am using my Milani Make It Last setting spray, drenching my face. I lost my freaking little fan. I gotta
Game. 1, 2, 3, go.
So I went in with a lip liner. This is the Flower Beauty Petal Pout lip liner, and this is in the shade Nude.
I'm gonna use the Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner pencil in 02, which I think is kind of close to her lip liner. That completes my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Ring light, ring light. Hello! Welcome to the family. Sabi mo subscribe.
Ano?
Subscribe kayo sa channel ni Rei.
Hey, it's Rei.